So we just got to Denver International. My mom's coming into town. She's never seen where I live. We've lived in Colorado for over a year. You know, they just got done building a house and had so much going on, and it just hasn't been the right timing. Kyle and I are in a interesting season, just personally, and I just really needed my mama. Let me preface, nothing's wrong with our marriage. We're just going through some things. What I mean is, we started fertility treatments again, and it's been really challenging. It's been really hard. You know, not only because hormones are hard on a woman's body, all my sisters know what I'm talking about, but just the emotional roller coaster of hoping and being disappointed and hoping and disappointed is really hard on the heart. So, you know, the old adage holds up that sometimes you just need your mom. So she kind of got an impromptu flight. So we're going to pick her up. I'm so excited, and I'm excited to show her around where we live and just let her taste Colorado. Got your bag.
Thank you. Once I got off to where all the like 50 different directions the baggage came, I was just going. I finally stopped some man and he said, "Go over there and look at that board and look for where your flight came from." I got it.
She's here! Yay! I'm here! Yay, Jimmy, we're home! Come on!
What do you think of Colorado so far?
What little I've seen, I like it because of the Broncos, Peyton, and now because y'all are here.
So, Overflow is beginning, and this is Denise's first time coming to Overflow, so we're gonna see what she thinks of it.
When you walked in the door, I could have sworn I've seen your face before. So glad that you said hi, 'cause I was way too shy. What would have happened if you just had passed me by the night? We keep on drinking, keep on wishing for someone.
All right, we're headed to Steamboat. It is a stormy, snowy, kind of gloomy day, but it's really magical. Headed over the pass right now. My mom's loving it. What do you think, Mom?
It's so beautiful. I love it.
So she's getting the full Colorado experience. We've had some really good sunny days, and now we're getting the snowy day. Yeah, it's beautiful, and we're just gonna go out and be tourists and have some lunch, get some good family time in. Yeah, I'm excited.
All those little moments, the bites you didn't catch me looking over your shoulder, just at the right time. Those little moments all led me to you. Only God knew about all those little moments.
poor little thing.
I've almost got you one of those things.
Those are probably real.
I almost got you one for Christmas.
For real?
Yeah.
It's so cute.
I like the one in the canoe.
I do too.
All those little moments, the bites you didn't catch me looking over my shoulder, just at the right time. Those little moments, all that needed you, only God knew about. All those little moments. We keep on drinking, we keep on wishing, we keep on drinking, we keep.
All right, Mom, first impression.
No, I love it. Shopping and Mexican food. I mean, how does it get better than that?
I mean, I agree.
Plus, all the snow around, going through the winter wonderland coming here.
Uh-huh.
It was a great day.
Oh, yay.
All those little moments, the bites you didn't catch me looking over your shoulder, just at the right time. Those little
Windy up here. It's pretty bad.
On the cliff, on the very end, I was just telling Mom, you can see our house. There. It's all over the straight line. I never knew you could see it from here.
all those little moments.
Yeah, it's amazing. Like, it's kind of leaves you at a loss for words. Pretty cool. I like seeing wildlife in its own habitat. Okay, when I planned this impromptu trip, I expected Colorado to be, all of it to be like what I see around me now. Lots of mountains, lots of green trees, wildlife. But when we drove in from the airport in Denver, I was surprised by all the barren land, nothing but dirt and rocks, and I wasn't expecting that at all. God's splendor everywhere. Allie and Kyle's told me many stories about the community, and everything they told me was true. Everyone here is so kind and receiving and loving, but it was even to a greater degree than they had told me or that I thought it would be. And I came thinking I was coming because Allie needed me here right now, which was true, but I discovered at church on Sunday that God brought me here for myself as well. He wanted me to see firsthand how loving the community was to them, how well they'd been received, how they were already such an integral part, and how God's love was just pouring out on everyone there at the church, including myself. All I could do was just cry. So it's been fun, it's been rewarding, and I can't wait to come back and bring Russ and do more.
We're heading back to the airport.
Oh, I'm sad to go home and glad to go home all at the same time because I want to see my puppy.
We all know how the dog ranks in this world. We are hitting the road now, heading back to the Denver International Airport. It's been a good week with Mom. Sad to see her go, but they'll be back soon. We're gonna go fishing, so. Cheers. Cheers. Well, I just dropped her off. I'm sad, but super grateful to have had her here. It truly was exactly what the doctor ordered. Gave my heart space just to focus on something else, something really good other than, you know, this journey that Kyle and I are going through, trying to make a family. So the old adage is true. Sometimes you just need your mom. And if a mom's not something that you have, it can be your sister or, you know, that bestie that just makes everything okay. Sometimes you just need your mom.
Oh,